I've always grown up in a big family full of babies and cousins. One of my family friends is a foster carer, so I always used to go up hers and we used to just play with the babies, and that's where I found my love for it. From there then I went to Pathways, where it was more working on the job, because I knew the classroom wasn't for me anymore. So when I found Pathways, working on the job was exactly what I needed to get all my qualifications I do now. Then when I found Pathways, I did my level 1, 2 and now 3, and now I'm a room leader. My role includes school runs, taking them to school. I will introduce the children into the nursery, we'll settle down. I'll create different activities for them to do. If they're interested in emptying baskets that day, we'll create a whole new activity to do. So the new curriculum is all interest-based. So the children will come in if they want to play with the dolls. We can get dress-up toys ready for them. If they want to put wellies on that day, we'll take them for a walk in our pram, or we'll take them in the garden, find muddy puddles to splash in. I was recently nominated for Skills Academy Wales Award. To find out I was nominated for the Apprentice of the Year Award 2022 was the most incredible moment ever. And I cannot believe I actually won that year too. I am dyslexic. And I've proved to myself and many others that you can do it if you put your mind to it. I would highly recommend an apprenticeship for anyone who wants to work as they learn. While I was learning through the apprenticeship, I was also earning at the same time, so I could be more independent.